Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving deep into the Melissa TX real estate market today, especially for those of you thinking about selling.
Yeah, it's a seller's market for sure in Melissa. We've been
Mhm.
going through this guide, selling your Melissa home for cash, and
It is a hot market. Melissa is booming. Population's up over 13% just in the last year. But that rapid growth
it does come with some challenges.
definitely creates challenges and opportunities for homeowners.
Absolutely.
Thinking about selling your house in Melissa. Get a fast and fair cash offer from us. Sell that house to me. Just visit sellthathouse.com. That's sellthathouse.com. You can see what your house is worth.
Yeah, one of the things that this guide is really emphasizing is the speed and simplicity of selling your home for cash. And that can make a huge difference in a fast-paced market like Melissa.
Think about it. The traditional listing process can just drag on for months. You got showings, repairs, negotiations, and, always that worry that the deal's going to fall through.
Right. And the guide points out that a typical sale can take anywhere from, 60 to 90 days, sometimes even longer.
And then after you've done all that prep work, got an agent, all the paperwork,
Yeah.
not to mention those agent fees and closing costs.
Oh, they'll sell you. The guide uses a great example. It says, imagine you sell your Melissa home for, let's say, $375,000. With a traditional sale, you're looking at about 6% in agent fees, which is $22,500, plus another $6,000 or so in closing costs.
That's a lot of money. And that's before you even factor in, any repairs or updates that you might need to do to get your home ready to sell.
Exactly. With a cash offer from Sell That House to Me, you can skip all of that. We buy homes as is. You don't have to worry about fixing anything up or staging it for showings.
Huge relief for a lot of people, especially those who are facing, challenging situations like a foreclosure or probate.
Yeah, the guide really dives into that too, how dealing with an inherited property or a potential foreclosure can add a whole other layer of stress and complexity to the selling process.
Imagine trying to sell a home that needs a lot of work while you're also, dealing with the emotional logistical challenges of probate or the pressure of a foreclosure. It can be really overwhelming.
That's where we come in. We understand those situations, and we're here to offer a solution that's fast, fair, and compassionate. We can help you get cash for your home quickly and move on to that next chapter in your life.
Yeah, who wouldn't want to avoid that stress of, endless showings and waiting for the right buyer to come along?
The guide really hits the mark, I think, when it talks about that peace of mind that comes with a cash offer. It's about more than just the money. It's about taking control of your situation and reducing that stress that goes along with selling your home.
It's like trading in that old car that's been giving you problems for a nice, new, reliable one.
That's a great analogy.
You can finally, breathe a sigh of relief and enjoy the journey ahead.
And speaking of enjoying the journey, the guide highlights some specific neighborhoods in Melissa that are really attractive to buyers right now, like Country Ridge, Liberty, Villages of Melissa, and Hunter's Ridge.
What is it about those neighborhoods that makes them so desirable?
Well, they offer that blend of small town charm, modern amenities, and a strong sense of community. And they're conveniently located near top-rated schools, parks, and shopping centers. It's no wonder people are, moving to those
It
areas.
sounds like they offer a really great quality of life for families and individuals alike.
Yeah.
And it's good to know which neighborhoods are, really generating the most interest if you're looking to sell.
Absolutely. And that's why it's so important to work with a company like us that has a deep understanding of the local market. We know what buyers are looking for. We can help you position your home for a successful sale, even if it's in a less popular area.
So let's recap what we've talked about so far. Selling your home in a market like Melissa that's rapidly growing, it can be a bit of a roller coaster ride.
It can be.
Lots of ups and downs, twists and turns, hard to know what to expect.
But with a cash offer from Sell That House to Me, you can get off that roller coaster. And you can take a shortcut straight to your destination. You'll get a fair price for your home. You'll avoid all the hassle and the uncertainty of an additional sale. And you'll have that cash in hand to move on to your next adventure.
Exactly.
That's what it's all about. And, when we're talking about navigating this Melissa market, one thing that really stands out in this guide is the different types of sellers
Oh, yeah,
who can benefit from a cash offer.
absolutely. It's not just for people facing foreclosure or
Mhm.
dealing with, an inherited property. It's a fantastic option for anyone who values speed and convenience and certainty.
Exactly. Like, think about it. Maybe you're relocating for a new job,
Yeah?
or you're downsizing to a smaller home, or you just want to cash out and invest in something new. A cash offer can really help you make those transitions quickly and easily.
Yeah, it's like a secret weapon in your real estate arsenal.
It is.
You can bypass all those traditional hurdles
Uh-huh.
and move forward with confidence.
For sure. And the guide dives into some of the financial benefits of selling for cash, too.
Okay.
Remember that example we talked about, the $375,000 home sale?
Yeah. Well, let's break it down.
Okay.
We said that with a traditional sale, you could lose about $28,500 to agent fees and closing costs.
Right. And there are other hitting costs to consider as well, like pre-listing repairs, staging costs, and even the carrying costs of owning that home while it's on the market.
Yeah, and those can really add up. I've heard stories of sellers having to spend thousands of dollars just to get their homes ready to even list.
Absolutely. And what if you're in a situation where you need to sell quickly?
Right.
You know, those carrying costs, like your mortgage payments, property taxes, and utilities, they can really drain your resources while you're waiting for a buyer.
Yeah, it's like watching your savings just disappear while you're stuck waiting.
Exactly. But with a cash offer, you eliminate all those uncertainties and potential expenses. You get a guaranteed price for your home, and you can close quickly, usually within a week or two.
That's huge for a lot of sellers. Yeah. Gives them the financial freedom to, move on with their lives and pursue their goals without being weighed down by the burdens of a traditional sale.
And the guide even touches on the psychological benefits of selling for cash. Can really alleviate a lot of stress and anxiety,
Yeah,
especially for those who are facing difficult life transitions.
absolutely.
Yeah.
That's something we often overlook is the emotional toll that selling a home can take.
Right.
It's a big decision, and it can be really, fraught with uncertainty and emotional baggage.
Absolutely.
And a cash offer can provide that sense of relief and closure
For sure.
and allows sellers to, just move forward with a clean slate.
And one of the things that I think sets us apart from other cash buyers is our commitment to transparency and fairness.
Absolutely.
We believe in offering competitive prices that reflect the true market value of the home.
Yeah, we're not in the business of lowballing sellers or taking advantage of their circumstances. We want to build trust and create, win-win situations for everyone involved.
Exactly. And that's why we encourage everyone who's thinking about selling their home in Melissa to visit our website, sellthathouse2milm.com.
Sellthathouse2me.com.
Yes. It's the best way to get a quick and easy estimate of your home's value and to learn more about the benefits of selling to us.
Our process is really simple and straightforward. You can request a cash offer online, or you can give us a call and we'll take care of everything from there. No showings, no repairs, no stress.
Easy peasy.
Now, I know some people might be thinking, well, will I get a better price by going through a traditional real estate agent?
That's a good question.
What are your thoughts on that?
It's valid, and the guide actually addresses this directly. It says, while you might get a slightly higher offer from a traditional buyer in a hot market, you have to weigh that against the potential costs and risks.
Right, like the agent fees, closing costs, repairs, and the possibility of that deal falling through.
Exactly. Plus, you have to factor in the time it takes to sell a home traditionally. Time is money, and in a fast-moving market, that delay could really cost you.
Yeah, it's like missing out on a great opportunity because you were stuck in line.
Right, and that's why we encourage sellers to really consider all of their options and weigh the pros and cons carefully. It's not just about the price tag, it's about finding the right solution
Right.
that meets your individual needs and goals.
It's about taking control and making the decision that, empowers you to move forward.
Exactly. And that's really what Sell That House to Me is all about.
Right.
We want to simplify the process, help you maximize your profits, and help you achieve your real estate goals.
Let's shift gears for a minute and talk about something that I think is often overlooked in real estate. The power of community. What role does community play in the Melissa market? And how do we fit into that?
That's a great question. One of the things that makes Melissa so special is its strong sense of community. People here really care about their neighbors. They want to make their city a great place to live.
Yeah, you can really feel that sense of community when you walk around downtown Melissa or you go to like a local event. People are friendly, they're welcoming, they're genuinely proud of their town.
And that sense of community extends to the real estate market as well. People want to work with companies that share their values and are committed to giving back.
And that's something that we really try to focus on. We're not just some big faceless corporation that's, operating from afar. We're deeply rooted in the Melissa community. And we're really passionate about making a positive impact.
Absolutely. We're involved in a variety of local initiatives, from sponsoring youth sports teams to supporting local charities. We believe in being good neighbors and contributing to the well-being of the community.
Yeah, it's about more than just buying and selling houses.
It is.
It's about building relationships and fostering trust and creating a sense of shared prosperity.
And that resonates with sellers in Melissa. They want to work with a company they can trust, a company that understands their needs, a company that's invested in the long-term success of their community.
It's about finding a partner who's in it for the right reasons,
Exactly.
not just for a quick profit.
And that's what you get with us. We're here for the long haul, and we're committed to making the Melissa real estate market fair and equitable for everyone.
Before we move on, I want to remind our listeners that if they're even thinking about selling their home in Melissa, they should head over to sellthathousestone.com.
Sellthathouse-to-me.com.
It's the best way to explore your options, get a free cash offer, and see what's possible in this market.
And you might be surprised by how much your home is worth.
Yeah.
And how easy it can be to sell it quickly for a fair price.
Exactly.
And, speaking of exploring your options,
Yeah.
one of the things I find really fascinating about the Melissa market is just the diversity of housing options available.
Yeah, you're right. From those historic homes in the heart of downtown to those sprawling ranches on the outskirts of town, there's something for everyone here.
There is. And that diversity is reflected in the types of sellers that we work with. We've helped everyone from young families who are upgrading to their dream home to retirees who are downsizing to a more manageable space.
We've even worked with investors who are looking to flip properties and developers who are seeking land for new projects.
It's amazing to see how the real estate market can connect people from all walks of life,
Yeah.
each with their own unique needs and aspirations.
And it's our mission to help each and every one of those sellers achieve their goals, whether they're seeking financial freedom, a fresh start, or just a less stressful way to sell their home. We're here to guide them through that process.
It's about more than just transactions. It's about empowering people to make informed decisions and to create a better future for themselves and their families.
I love that. Turning houses into homes and dreams into reality.
And that's what makes this job so rewarding. We get to see that firsthand, the power of real estate and the impact it can have on people's lives.
Yeah, it really is inspiring to hear how Sell That House to Me is making a difference, in the lives of Melissa homeowners.
And speaking of making a difference, let's jump back into this guide for a sec and explore a theme that keeps coming up. The importance of timing in real estate.
Timing is everything, right? Especially in a dynamic market like Melissa.
It is. This guide really emphasizes that point. It talks about how Melissa's rapid growth has created this sense of urgency for buyers and sellers, Everyone wants to get in on the action while the market is hot.
It's like a gold rush.
Right.
But for houses?
I like that analogy. And just like in a gold rush, those who are decisive, they're often the ones who reap the biggest rewards.
So how can sellers in Melissa make sure that they're, striking while the iron's hot?
Well, that's where a cash offer from us can really be a game changer.
Okay.
By selling quickly, you can really capitalize on that current market peak. And you avoid the risk of, prices kind of plateauing or even declining down the road.
Yeah, it's like, catching a wave at just the right moment.
Exactly.
You don't want to miss that perfect swell.
And with traditional sales, you're at the mercy of those market fluctuations. What's a hot seller's market today? Could cool down in a few months. You could end up waiting weeks or even months for the right buyer to come along. And during that time, you're still paying those carrying costs. Your mortgage, your property taxes, utilities.
It's like running a race where the finish line keeps moving further away.
It is. And then you have to factor in the possibility of the deal falling through at the last minute, which unfortunately does happen.
Oh, yeah, that's so frustrating.
It is. But with Sell That House to Me, you eliminate all that. That uncertainty, the stress. We provide a guaranteed offer. We close quickly. We handle all the paperwork, the logistics. It's a smooth, streamlined process. Allows you to, move on with your life without any unnecessary delays.
It's like trading in your old unreliable map for a brand new GPS.
Yeah.
You know exactly where you're going.
Yeah.
And you can get there quickly and efficiently.
I like that. And one thing that often surprises sellers is how competitive our cash offers are. We do our due diligence, we research the market, we take into account all the factors that influence a home's value.
So it's not like those, we buy ugly houses companies.
Right.
That offer pennies on the dollar.
No, not at all. We are committed to offering fair market value prices that reflect the true worth of your home.
Okay.
We understand that selling your home is a big decision, and we want to make sure you feel good about the offer you receive.
Of course. You put so much into your home, you deserve to be compensated fairly.
You do. And that's why we encourage everyone in Melissa who is thinking about selling to give us a call. We'll give you a free, no-obligation cash offer.
Right.
And answer any questions you might have about the process.
It's a risk-free way to explore your options.
It is.
See what's out there.
Absolutely.
You might be surprised.
You might be.
So we've talked about, cash offers and the Melissa market, but I want to touch again on the importance of community.
Mm-hmm.
We know Sell That House to Me is really invested in Melissa. How does that actually benefit the sellers?
Well, it goes beyond just sponsoring local events or supporting charities. It's about understanding those nuances of the Melissa market, the needs of the residents, what drives those home values in certain neighborhoods.
So you have that insider knowledge
We do.
that you wouldn't get from some big national company.
We're not just crunching numbers and looking at spreadsheets.
Yeah.
We're out in the community. We're talking to people, getting a feel for the market, understanding what makes Melissa so special.
Being more than just a business.
Yeah.
Being a partner, a neighbor, someone people can trust.
Exactly. And that allows us to offer, more personalized and attentive service to our clients. We're not just buying houses, we're helping people
Yeah.
achieve their dreams.
Okay, so final call to action for this deep dive.
Okay.
If you're in Melissa and you're thinking about selling your home, don't wait. Take control of your future and get a fast, fair cash offer from Sell That House to Me. Visit sellthathousetomeme.com. That's sellthathousetomeme.com.
See what your Melissa home is worth.
Easy way to explore your options, get some expert advice, and discover the peace of mind that comes with selling to a company that really cares about the Melissa community.
Exactly.
We hope this deep dive has been helpful. We've covered a lot of ground, the ins and outs of cash offers, the Melissa market dynamics.
We have.
But most importantly, we hope you've learned about the power of choice and finding the right solution for you.
Absolutely. Selling your home doesn't have to be stressful. With the right partner, it can be a smooth, empowering, even enjoyable experience.
And we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Thanks, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
Happy selling.